How to fix DoorDash login error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix DoorDash login error, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to fix the login error of the DoorDash app, maybe you're not being able to log in for some particular reason. If you have your account linked with Google, Facebook or Apple, you can try to log in using those. If you tap and continue with email and you get this kind of interface that says this site cannot be reached, it means that DoorDash is not available in your region. But if you still have some details, then it could also be that you have actually forgotten your password, so you can try to reset it. Now you can try to clear the data of the DoorDash app by long pressing on it and going to the storage and cache and clearing the storage and cache, then opening up your DoorDash app again, updating it again. Then once done, you can simply tap and continue with Google or any options that you might have logged in previously in the past. Then once you've done that, you should be able to log in to your, if it says check your internet connection, again, even if you're connected, it could be that DoorDash is not available in your region. So this just means that you have to actually go ahead and select and use a VPN, and once you use a VPN, only then you will be able to connect to the DoorDash application. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.